Like I mentioned in the previous video tutorial, this video tutorial will be dedicated on getting the feel of where everything is within the Magento backend. So once again, this is the backend. This is where you're actually changing and modifying your content and your web page. And this is the front end, which is available to your customers so they can see this and actually use this web page to purchase your stuff. So this is your online store. Let's go back to the backend, and this is the dashboard. On the left hand side, first of all, right at the top, you have the Magento logo, and then you have the dashboard, sales link, products, customers, marketing, content, reports, stores, system, and find partners and extensions. By the default, the very first page is set to be the dashboard, and this is what's available on the dashboard itself. First of all, we have some sort of a summary here. So there's a lifetime sales, average order, last search terms, top search terms. Now when you have an online store and you have many different products and you actually do have some sales, this little information here is very useful, and basically it's presented in a very nice and very easy way to follow. So it will give you the total lifetime sales, the average order, and a few other information as well. You can also have a look here that at this particular time we are viewing all stores. So basically if you have more stores, you will actually go and select those here. Since I only have one store, I can only view this particular option. There's the question mark here, which will actually provide you with some more information there as well. Moving all the way to the right, we have the reload data. So basically when you click this, the information here will change, and so will this information here will be refreshed. Moving a bit more up to the top, we have the search button there. So if you click there, you'll open a pop-up window, pop-up text box where you can actually type in what you're searching for. We have the notification icon, we have the actual my account icon. All right, so you can go and change the settings. You can actually view this as a customer. So if I actually hit on this, it will open the same page as I have previously shown you here. So this is what the customer sees. So when they actually type in your URL, they're actually going to see this. So it's a customer view, or in another way you can say that this is basically a front end of your web page or your web page itself. Okay, so this option here says that the cart is disabled. To enable it, we will click here. Okay, so basically this is some very basic information that we have on the dashboard itself. So if we go into sales, we actually have a couple of the options there. We have the operations that we can do in the sales. There's the orders, the invoices, the shipments, the credit memos, billing agreements, and the transactions. In the product sections, we have the inventory, which is actually the catalog and the categories. In the customers, we have all customers and now online. So basically we can view who is online at this particular time. In the marketing section, we have the promotions, under which have the catalog price rules, the cart price rules. We have the communications, email templates, newsletters, templates, and queues. We have the newsletter subscribers. We have the search engine optimization and search, and we have the user content reviews there as well. In the content section, we have elements where we can actually build pages, we can build blocks and widgets. In the design, we have the themes and the schedule. Moving to the reports, we have a lot of different reports, and Magento has done a great deal of actually putting all the data nicely together for you to actually have a look at how your sales and everything else is doing. So basically we have the marketing section there, we have the reviews, the sales, we have the customers, the products, and we have the stats there as well. So this is one of the pages that you're going to visit not quite often, but every now and then, and the more time you actually visit this page, this section, or visit this link, this main menu, the better it is for yourself, as you will get more information, and basically you will see how your web page, your online store is doing. Okay, then we have the stores, and basically here we have the settings, we have the taxes, the currency, the attributes, and other settings there as well. In the systems menu, we have the data transfer, the extensions, the tools, permissions, and other settings there as well. Find partners and extensions. This will actually take you to a new web page that looks like this, and here you will either find the partners, or you can actually go and check out the Magento marketplace there as well. Okay, so if you do click on this Magento logo, it will actually take you back to the dashboard. Okay, so basically this is a very quick introduction of what's available within Magento, and in the next few video tutorials we'll go through, well, most of those options available on the main menu, which is actually located on the left hand side.